So in a unit second, we have seen a strategies of decision in a retail. So under that first concept we have studied, that is location decision. Second was target market selection. Now third one is business model. Now let us see what is the business model. Business model is nothing but it's a business which creates a value itself while delivering a product or service for a customer. So retail business model is nothing but it is a concept of selling a goods to a consumer or delivering a product and services to a consumer. So it says that how an entrepreneur startups is retail business, what are the structures, how he has to organize his retail market. So entire operating model along with giving a value for your customers is known as business model. So business model indicates with the two concepts, that is customer value proportion and operation model. As I said, business model is nothing but selling or delivering a goods and services to a customer having their value, including operating of a business or a retail business. Operating in the sense how the organization structure has to be taken place, how the sourcing, the cost has to be included in the organization, how the goods has to be sold, in what way, how the price has to be fixed. It is fixation of high pricing strategy or low pricing strategy, or the service which is given to a consumer should be free or how it should be. It includes a cost model, value structure, like product or a service indicating the depth and breadth of assortment, product quality. This is the operation of a business, how the business has to be operated. We know retail market like independent retail are there, existing retail, independent ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ರಿಟೇಲ್. ಅವನೇ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟೇಲ್, ಆನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಶಾಪನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದು, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿಂಗ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೈನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. Like chain system includes nowadays most of the chain network has come into a market. Amway ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೋದಿ ಕೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, all of the structure in what way they are doing a business. So retail business is nothing but organizing a business with the sake of delivering a goods and services to a consumer. How they have to build, how the customer, whether in what way the customer will be satisfied by having a product, which product do the customers needs. So it's also it gives a value to a consumer along with movement of a business, inclusion, how the business is running on. That leads to a retail business model. We'll see some models, retail business models, such as first one, e-commerce business model. E-commerce is nothing but, as we are most aware nowadays, electronic commerce or e-commerce is a business model that lets a firm and individual to buy and sell things over internet. The most commonly used nowadays due to increase in a technology factor. So buying and selling of a product through the use of internet. The best examples are Flipkarts, Amazons, eBay. So all this, Alibaba, all this what they are doing, that they are the network market which is selling the product. They are organizing in such a way they are selling a product to a consumer along with the system of operating the business. How the business is done in e-commerce, it is done through a electronic media. Next one, attention merchant business model. Attention, the company that generates revenue by investing in human attention, is called as human merchant business model. The best example you can see in a medias or the social medias. So while using a internet, if you go through a Google some advertised displays you. So even if at that moment you are not curious to buy a product, the display or attraction or attention what the marketers are doing, they are showing their product or displaying their product in the middle of a videos. So videos ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ in the middle they display you the advertise. That is the attention grabbing. The item is just to sell the product. So most of the logic of using advertising in the social medias like Facebook, Google, YouTube's, etc. So that is making an attention business. Next one, franchising is perhaps undoubtedly the most popular form of business model. So the business model which has licensed, they are a franchising independent business owner can adopt the business model of franchisee company and pay them royalty. So if the many retailers run a franchisee business, they take a trademark of some business. Like if you take a best example like KFC, that is a franchisee running because the main, it is an international company which runs throughout the internet. They have taken a franchisee through branches throughout the India. Burger King, McDonald's, so all these are the companies. So we are taking a license to run that run that company is known as franchising business model. How the way they are selling a product to a consumer. Next one is razor and blade business model. Razor and blade, as the name is still defined, without the blade a razor cannot work. So razor is not of use if there is no blade in razor. So razor ಗೆ blade ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ it will not work. In the same way, the way of selling the goods is, if you don't have that product, one product, the other product will not run. So there is an impact of that one product on other product. So that is razor and blade. Best example is printer. When we take a printer, we get for a reasonable price printer, but the ink what the printer needs, actually the ink cartridge cost more. Price is very costly and it is very necessary to run out the printer. So primary factor is that it focuses the company not to generate a constant stream of revenue. Like mobile data operator, TV operator, the TV will not run if there is no TV operator. So it comes along with that. So these are the example of razor and blade business. Next one, peer-to-peer business model. Peer-to-peer business model is nothing but the business which runs on the basis of commission. Its purpose is acting as an intermediate between individuals. It work as a matchmaker in the middle of two sides. One who has something to offer, then who will give us product and services, the other who is benefited from them. The best example you can take is Uber. So how you will book a Uber? For the sake of traveling, so you will register it on a internet. So once you have registered, the person who is that the individual will give you a service. So when he gives a service as an individual, he has to give a commission fees to the premises. So in this way, the business runs off in peer-to-peer business model. So Uber is the best example. Next one, cash machine business model. Cash machine business model is nothing but cash conversion cycle. The cash machine business model comes from well-known metric known as cash conversion cycle. So what we do, we take a product from a suppliers and we have to give a cash. From where this cash will come? So we have to sell a product to the consumer to get a cash. Therefore, how it goes, for example, if you take Amazon will be having the product in the site. So once the product is ordered, the consumer will pay cash to that particular retailers. So that retailer has to pay it to the supplier one who is giving that product. So converting its resources into cash. That is cash conversion cycle. Next one, direct sale business model. Direct sale business model, perhaps a common type of business model, which is the evolution of a technology, selling the things directly. Some of the business models, single level marketing, in which the direct seller makes money by buying product from a parent organization. So he'll take from a parent's organization and sell it directly to a consumers. There are also network marketing, in which the direct selling earn money from both direct sale to consumer and by sponsoring new direct seller and potential earning commission from their for their efforts. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರಿಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮೀಶೋ ಆ್ಯಪ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ seen what happens there, you as an individual can do a business. So what you can do, you can sell the product to the consumer on behalf of a Meesho which runs an organization, so you get a commission or a profit. So that is called as direct sale business model. Affiliate marketing business model. Affiliating marketing is a revenue earning strategy promoting other companies' product and charging commission for every sale that you make. So it is a kind of a retail where you can sell a service, where a retailer can sell the goods on a social blogs in the sense videos and even the social media's profiles and pages promoter partner products. So you promote goods and services through a websites or a videos, where an individual gets a commission for the sake of promoting the goods. Channel like blogs, there are some blogs which makes a video on a product which has to be sold in the market. So that is affiliate marketing business model. Next one, subscription based business model. Subscription business model is a recurring revenue model that allows you to leverage your customer relation to create a steady stream of income. This is converted into subscription based. Once in a month you have to pay the fees. The subscription, as you done, they will give methods of payment, the mode of payment how you have to do. Once you have subscribed, you have to pay for it. You have seen different video blogs which has a subscription based business model. So some app also you can see free trial, 3 days trial ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ದಟ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು 3 ಡೇಸಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ರೀ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಯು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ some basic example you can take. Newspaper, how you will purchase, you will not go daily to the shop, daily hogi purchase ಮಾಡಿ. You will say a person to give it on a daily basis. It will come to a doorstep and you will pay it. So Amazon Prime ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, you have to subscribe it by paying money. Netflix, if you have to see the movies in Netflix, you have to pay or subscribe it. So these are the basic examples for subscription based business model. Last one, consulting business model. Consulting business model is a major business revenue. You can take an example of a company, Accenture, which provides a consultancy, technology and outsourcing service. So what they do, this service provider has operate through a following subject. They go through communication, they go to media, they solve about technology, finance service, health and public service, product, resource and other. It is a platform of a software company through ascertain the delivery of digital transformation. For the sake of a consultancy, consulting business model depend on hiring talented people to make them work for multi-project of different clients. The fees is paid by client, can be per hour or per day or according to the requirement of specification of the services. So Accenture is an example of a company which provides a services to a consumer on the basis of consultancy. So business model develop in this way evolve with the changes in the environment, and the value proposition continue to aligned with the need of the customer. The business model is way or the technique in which the business is running, or how they are starting up their business to sell the product to the consumer. That is the main concept of business model. It deals with the 10 business models as we have already seen. It has two distinct dimensions, that is, one is customer value proposition by satisfying a need of a customers. Second one was operating model, which shows the operation how the business is done.